Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. If your TikTok videos are getting stuck in review and not going live, don't worry. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to fix the video under review issue and get your content published again. So without any further ado, let's get started. When TikTok says your video is under review, it means it's being checked for content violations. This could be due to copyrighted music, sensitive visuals, or even false flags from the system. Most of the times, reviews are completed within 1 to 2 days. So first, wait patiently, especially if your content follows the guidelines. If the video stays under review for too long, try this. Delete the original, slightly edit the video, change the music if needed, and re-upload it. This often works. You can also report it directly. Just go to your TikTok settings, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the option called report a problem. Scroll down and scroll down. Tap on chat with us. You can say something like, "Hi, my video has been under review for over 24 hours. I have checked and it follows community guidelines. Please review it as soon as possible." Next, try clearing your TikTok app cache and make sure the app is fully updated. This refreshes the system and can sometimes fix delays. For future videos, use only TikTok's music, avoid flashing filters, and don't include sensitive words like money, giveaway, or health in your captions. And that's how to fix the TikTok video under review issue. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.